Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to print Excel sheet with lines. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So this data I'm going to print with lines. So just click on the file tab, then click on the print option and here you can see the print preview. Okay. The second way, I just click on the back button and you can press here Ctrl P to shortcut key to print preview. Okay. So in this preview, there is a no line in this data. So to add the line, just click on the page setup option and here the page setup dialog box is open. Then click on the sheet tab here and in print option, there is a first option here, the grid lines. Just click on this box and just click on OK. That's it. See here, the lines is added on this data. So this is a way you can print Excel sheet with lines. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.